Hey everyone, this is Trackmaster here. This is a short unboxing of Push-1 Emily. I will show you Push-1 Emily. Here's the packaging. There's Emily. Here's the front, side, the other side, the bottom, the top, and the back. It shows the other Push-1 Thomas trains are available to buy. Young Bao, I get that one. Shane, I get that one. And Gordon, I got that one. So, let's unbox Emily, shall we? Hey guys, I'm back. I just unboxed Push-1 Emily. I'll show you Emily. Here's Emily and her tender. Here's the front, side, the other side, the top, and the back. Well guys, that's it for the unboxing of Push-1 Emily. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video.